Alright, we're here in Building A in Tantera. And wow, what a difference from a couple years ago. With the new Margaritaville theme, they did a really nice job making these hallways and common areas in here much more bright and open. Because it is kind of a dingy building, but it looks so much more inviting. Look at that. An elevator waiting right here for us. Boy, this thing needs to be vacuumed. So, before I let the doors close, you can see with the renovation, this thing did get a slightly new cab, but it did not get remodernized. We still have this old mod with the Series 1 buttons and the original lantern. Either one of those works. We're not moving. Try on the floor. There we go. Had to think about it for a minute. Now, of course, we're going to stop on 7. Obviously, we have the original controller here. I guess this is a recurring thing. Let's see if it'll move now. Nope. That's so funny. Let's see if it'll go to 2. Yeah. I don't know what's up with the controller in this thing, but it's not behaving today. The way these things sound and the way this one's acting, it reminds me when I was staying there as a little kid. These things used to scare me. Let's give the other one a spin while we're at it, because this is actually... Oh, look, the lantern worked this time. Let's see if it'll actually go down. It doesn't seem to like 1. Oh, now it likes 1. Isn't that something? Wow, that's some serious classic leveling. I'm going to just take this back up to 2 and get you a better view of that. And back to 1 if it'll let me. Send you up. No lantern again. No lantern. Boy, the other one just sounds lovely. Oh, look at that. Now the lantern wants to work. Love those things. Let's see how this one runs. Nice, lantern works. Go to 6. That's actually the lobby in this building. It's built on a pretty steep hill. Yeah, this one definitely is the better of the 2. It runs a lot smoother too. And the controller works. And there's the original floor lanterns up there. But yeah. They got new floor number plates with no braille, which is interesting. Anyway, that is it.